Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Shanex Online. Again, I am Shane. And for today's video, halata naman siguro, we will be unboxing the OPPO A5S. And I've got the red color and also the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. So actually, I bought this because I'm interested kung ano yung mga bago sa kanya because I currently have the OPPO A3S, which yun yung gamit ko ngayon pang vlog. And tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bago kasi this is priced the same as the OPPO A3S. So tingnan na lang natin kung manghihinayang ba ako na binili ko pa yung A3S. Kasi this is an upgrade to the A3S and again, it is priced the same. So, quick specs muna, it has the same screen as the OPPO A3S, which is 6.2 HD+. But, unlike the OPPO A3S na yung notch niya is yung malaki, yung parang sa iPhone, the OPPO A5S has a water drop notch parang sa Vivo V11, ganun. And also, it has a 4,230 mAh of battery, and based on my experience using my OPPO A3S is that lasts one whole day with extensive use and always on yung Wi-Fi. But most of the days most of the days, like for example school days, hindi naman ako masyadong naglalaro or internet sa aking cellphone. Yung 4,230 mAh na battery ni OPPO A3S lasts for 2 days. So I hope ganun din dito sa ating OPPO A5S. It also has a dual rear camera and AI Beauty 2.0. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Unbox na natin siya. Actually, in-unbox ko na to siya kahapon, but medyo pangit kasi yung video ko kahapon and muntik ko na siyang mabasag. Muntik ko pa siyang mahulog. Yan, kaya i-unbox natin siya ulit. So yan, bukas na nga siya. Yan, check. Okay, first up sa loob is yan, mag-focus ka dyan. Mahanap natin itong smaller box that contains our jelly case na free. So, like the OPPO A3S from last year, meron na rin siyang free jelly case. And as you can see sa jelly case na to, ma-assume na natin na meron siyang fingerprint sensor. Also, sa box is itong manuals and important information guides. And also, we have the SIM ejector tool. That's a very handy and napakadaling mawala kasi nawala ko na yung SIM ejector tool ko nung A3S ko. Okay, let's set this aside first. And of course, the phone itself. So, muntikan ko na nga itong mabasag kahapon nung pinili ko yung plastic. And okay. First impressions again sa phone is ang ganda ng kanyang style, ng kanyang build, and yung kulay. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na maganda pala yung color red. I'm actually thinking of buying the black one, ibang kulay, parang black. But ang ganda parang ng red, especially with this, ang nakikita nyo, parang gold accent around the camera module and flash, and also the fingerprint sensor right here. So yan na po yung kanyang fingerprint sensor, then the OPPO logo. Before natin pala yan yung phone, tingnan natin pa natin yung iba pang laman ng box. So again, we have the charger, which is rated at 2 amps, 5 volts. So medyo fast siya, pero hindi siya gaya ng VOOC charger. But still, and also, a micro USB cable. Sadly, micro USB pa rin yung gamit niya. Hindi pa siya nag-upgrade to Type-C. Sana next year Type-C naman ang ilabas ng OPPO. So, ano siya. Okay, let's dive into the phone. So, quick look around. Yan. Dito sa ilalim, we have the speaker grill, the micro USB port, the microphone, and the headphone jack. On the right side, we have the power button. On the left side, we have the volume rocker. Hindi nakikita. And also the SIM tray. Yan siya. Para may butas. Up top, wala. So, in the front, yan, we have a Gorilla Glass 3 protected screen. So, expect na matibay siya. But not that much kasi Gorilla Glass 3 is medyo updated na. I guess Gorilla Glass 6 na yung latest ngayon. So, yan. Let's boot it up. OPPO logo. So, pinatay ko lang siya for the sake of this video pero na-open ko na nga siya. Nag-setup na ako rin ako ng fingerprint at saka face ID ko. So, try yan natin mamaya. Okay, there is it. Enter muna natin yung pin natin after the read. So, here is your OPPO A5S. So, there is that teardrop notch up top housing the 8 megapixel selfie front camera. Yan, para mas makita nyo yung teardrop notch. Mag-focus ka. Yan, notifications. Okay. It also has a... tingnan natin sa box. Wala dito, but it is octa-core. 3 gigs of RAM again. And I guess 2 gigahertz something na processor. So this is good for gaming. I actually installed na the Asphalt 8 and tried gaming on this phone. And so far wala naman siyang stutters sa frame rates. Maganda naman yung kanyang hindi naman siya naglalag, not unlike sa ibang phones of this price. Like for example, Cherry Mobile. So, ang dami ko na-experience na lag sa Cherry Mobile phones. But on the OPPO phones, so far, very smooth ang experience ko. And again, we have a 13 megapixel main rear camera paired with 2 megapixel depth sensor. So, for bokeh effects. Yun ang gusto ko yan eh. So far, my experience, maganda naman po yung camera nito. Actually, the same camera module siya sa the OPPO A3S and I'm enjoying the camera of the OPPO A3S and I wish na ma-enjoy ko rin yung camera nito kasi nga, they're the same modules. And so far, the upgrade lang sa front camera is mas malaki ata yung aperture nito kasi 2.0 while the f2.0 yung aperture nito. Unlike the OPPO A3S na f2.2 ata. So, supposedly mas maliwanag to in night shots but not that tremendously like the iPhones, Pixels, Huawei. They won't expect for 6,990 pesos. So, they won't expect ng mga flagship level na selfies. But still, the OPPO A5S shall take good care of your selfie game. So also we are running Android 8.1 or 8.01 Oreo, basta Android Oreo and ColorOS 5.2. So we have the side screen pre-enabled, not unlike the OPPO A3S na siguro the A21 update lang to lumabas sa A3S, but for the A5S, andyan na siya. Pag open mo for the first time, meron na siyang side bar. So, useful to for multitasking. And also, you can use, of course, the split screen of the Android 8.0. Ano pa bang more features nito? So, we also have a game space. So, sa game space, ito yung parang dito mo ilalagay yung mga games mo. Then, pag nilaunch mo yung games is papatay niyo yung mga background apps and magpo-focus siya dun sa game para mas mas maganda yung gaming experience mo. Ay pupunta niya lahat ng resources, processing power dun sa game. And also the internet connection para lag-free ang ating gaming experience. So you might ask, yung back niya is parang glass but it is still plastic. As you can hear, plastic. Parang si best friend. Joke. Okay, let's jump into the fingerprint scanner. Tingnan natin kung mabilis ba siya. So yan, off. Naka-off siya. Tapos itong daliri ko. And 1, 2. Okay, bilis, di ba? Try it again. 1, 2. Ayan. Nag-miss. 1, 2. Okay. Ang bilis ng kanyang fingerprint scanners. And so far, siguro once every 100 scans hindi siya nag-open. It's a very small number. Pero napaka-responsive talaga ng kanyang fingerprint scanner. And when it comes naman to the face scanning, bilis din. Yan. Nakalock. Nakalock yan. Kasi face natin sa mukha ko. Yun, naka-unlock ko agad. I can't really show you how fast it is, but it is like half a second mag-scan tapos unlock agad yung face mo. Now it comes with disadvantages kasi this is using just the optical camera of your phone, which is the front-facing camera. So, sa mga dimly lit areas ng bahay mo or sa outdoors pag gabi, you'll have troubles unlocking your phone using the front-facing camera. But don't you worry because meron ka namang fingerprint scanner. And also, the front-facing the face unlock also has this, yung nag-illuminate yung screen niya para paliwanagin yung mukha mo para mabasa niya. So, no worries sa unlocking ng phone. Also, again, this has 32 GB of internal storage, not unlike the OPPO A5S na 16 GB lang yung base storage niya, na priced the same, 6,990. So, all in all, you are really getting more for the money when you buy the OPPO A5S than the OPPO A3S from last year. So, overall review, this is a thumbs up for a budget device from OPPO. Again, this is Shane from Janix Online. I hope you like this video and I hope you like the OPPO A5S unboxing video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.